from MoneySmartFamily.com, and today we're going to teach you how to make pastitsio, which is Greek lasagna. And here it is. Yum! The first step to making the pastitsio is browning the ground beef, and you add the onion and some salt and pepper. Step 2 for the ground beef. It's all cooked and mixed up, and I drain the fat. Now the tomato paste goes in. This is a 6-ounce can. Spices. 3/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon and 3/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. And that makes some really yummy, special seasoned meat. These noodles are Pastitsio noodles. This is a Greek word and it means pastitsio. Basically, they're long, tubular noodles. They're going into the pot. Just below cooked.
So you're parboiling them,
You
right?
parboil them, yes.
And why do you do that?
Because they're going to cook again in the pan. Okay, so now it's time to assemble the pastitsio. I've cooked the noodles, and I'm going to lay them in the pan. And it's okay if they break. We've had a little delay in assembling, so this probably has more broken noodles than normal. But as you lay them in the pan, you're going to cover the bottom. Okay, the first round of noodles are laid in the bottom of the pan, and I am spooning the meat mixture onto it. It has onions in it, chopped onions, it has tomato paste, and it has an odd little seasoning of cinnamon and nutmeg. And it's really an odd flavor, but it's kind of cool. Alright, now it's time to put some of the white sauce on. Basically, pastitsio is Greek lasagna with a white sauce and some different kinds of seasonings. The white sauce is made up of eggs and milk and butter, a touch of baking powder to help it rise. It's got a couple of different kinds of cheeses like Parmesan, Romano, and I can't make Kefalotiri you can use. And yeah, it's really a different kind of a flavor, but really amazing. The recipe is on our website, and it's at moneysmartfamily.com/recipes. I'm layering the final noodles. The recipe lists all the ingredients for the white sauce, the meat mixture, and the directions for when to do what as far as layering in the pan. What I'm doing now is layering the final noodles on top, and then it'll be topped with the final white sauce. Noodles were left to cool, and so they're not laying as flat as normal. And so I'm going to just pat this down with a spatula to get it evenly spread in the pan.
So if you put them in when they were warm, they would lay straighter.
Yes.
And flatter, and
yes,
this wouldn't be as high, I guess.
It's still going to be delicious. Okay, here comes the final white sauce.
And we're not going to cook this tonight, so
No.
what are the cooking directions for this?
It takes a while. It takes like over an hour to cook. But boy, is it yummy.
But the meat's cooked already.
Right.
In
a way, the white sauce, the noodles are cooked. True. So everything is cooked, but you're putting it in the oven to heat all the way through and to kind of meld everything together.
And you brown, kind of golden brown the top, right? Is that
Right. It is amazing. We hope you enjoy this recipe for Pastitsio. I know the Greek lasagna that our family has grown up with has been a really, really fun tradition and a really special, delicious thing to make. If you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and click to be notified when we put more videos up.